Good evening, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project and Magnetic Reversal News, bringing you a grand solar minimum update Saturday, July 13th, 7:45 p.m. Mountain Time 2024. An M5.3 solar flare and other M flares coming off the sun in the last 12 hours show that the sun is heating up once again. But the big story is the assassination attempt on Donald Trump. Keep calm. It's boom time. Dangerous heat wave in the west, expanding eastward. Severe weather in the northern plains and upper Midwest. A dangerous and record-breaking heat will continue for much of the west today and expand over central and eastern portions of the country through this weekend. Locally heavy rainfall and flash flooding will continue along the coastal mid-Atlantic and in the Four Corners region. Strong to severe thunderstorms are possible across portions of the northern plains and the upper Midwest. Click on your county for more information and heed the warnings over at weather.gov. Here's the GFS model. At 18Z read, which is the most recent, you can see those storms up in Minnesota. They'll be moving into Wisconsin overnight, and then a second batch will pop up here Monday morning. As we're waiting for the pattern to change and get some of these storms in the Four Corners region in the coming days. Now 9,000 are evacuated in northeast Canada due to raging wildfires. Residents of the towns of Labrador City and Wabush in Newfoundland and Labrador provinces were ordered to leave their homes, said Provincial Fire Duty Officer Jeff Motti. And the fires are, well, numerous all over North America, mostly in the West Coast here. And most of the smoke is coming from the fires in California and Oregon. But it is so bad that adding to the fires in Canada, the smoke is insane in some regions, including Thunder Bay, but not exclusive to. So quite smoky out there for most of North America. Just a small alley right here up in the Four Corners region that's clear in the East Coast and most of the coasts. The rest of the North America here is covered in smoke. Don't choke. Seismic update, no quakes of note, which is good news because of increased seismic activity over the last several days. Looks like things are calming down. Biggest quake of the day, just a 5.4 here in Panama. Worldwide volcano news for the 13th. We've got Ibu, Liwatobi to 11,000, Ibu to 6,000, Nevado de Ruiz to 22,000 foot, Semeru again to 14,000, Santuito to 14, Sabancay to 26, Liwatobi to 11, Sangay to 22. Who knew? Now you do. Ibu to 7,000 feet, Sabancay to 24. Stromboli, Tom Pfeiffer visited the volcano yesterday and reported that the lava flow has ceased. We've got Ibu coming in with a 7,000-foot puff, and here a new volcano being raised to alert level 2, Injen volcano in Indonesia. Semeru puffing to 14, and that wraps up worldwide volcano news for the day. As we head on over to space weather, take a look at the M flaring happening over the last 12, 13 hours. An M5.3 solar flare was detected around AR 3738. Peaking at 12:42 UTC. Plasma movement is seen following the event. The flare was associated with a Type 2 radio emission with an estimated velocity of only 295 kilometers per second. Although some dimming was observed following the event, a noteworthy CME does not appear evident in the latest coronagraph imagery. We've had some additional flaring like this one, and I don't know if we know about any CMEs coming from that just yet. So check in with the update tomorrow and we'll have more news as we are waiting for a low-level geomagnetic storm from this baby here, the coronal hole coupling with Earth. Telemetry is not showing that coronal hole stream arriving just yet. So stay tuned to the solar wind for when it arrives because we might also get some aurora associated with it. Now join us over at Magnetic Reversal News in just a few minutes on YouTube, where Leah and I will replay with video our radio show from earlier in the day. Mount Rainier, Lahar threat, the facts about heat and weak magnetic field during the Ediacaran period, and maybe some of the implications to the ongoing magnetic excursion today. So join us over there in just a moment. And, well, make it a double header, and that's a boom to knowledge. Please share this video. We are shadow banned and we need your help to grow the channel. Join us over at Magnetic Reversal News, well, for some eye candy and the effing awesome classroom. Be safe. We love you.